Hi, in this hsbDesign for Revit tutorial video, we want to learn to modify our distribution. The goal is that all of these joists in the roof are aligning with the studs out here in the wall. To do so, we're going to use the distribution point. First of all, we're going to switch to the L1 floor plan. And as you can see, I've created a grid. This grid has our desired beam spacing. And if we zoom in here, we want to have this joist above this wall. So what we'll do is we'll select the distribution point tool and we'll add the distribution point to this intersection point right here. When we select the distribution point, we have to give it a name over here in the properties. So we just call this distribution point, for example, A. And next up, we have to open the Framing Styles editor in order to edit the distribution of the framing styles. So, as you can see, in here I've added the floor framing style. So, we start by going to the zones of the external walls. And in here, we have to change the distribution for zone 0. So, if you open up the drop-down menu of the distributions, we already know left, right, and middle. Furthermore, you could use highest. And down here, you could use a grid, or you can use floating. And right now, if we want to use this distribution point, we got to use floating. In order for hsbDesign to know which distribution point to use, in case you're having multiple of them, you have to add the name. So this is distribution point A. And we do the same for the floor, for zone 0, so that our choices are aligning with the distribution point as well. And after that, we save our changes by clicking OK. So, right now, we need to regenerate. So, as you can see right now, our joist is aligning well with the interior wall, and we have the studs of the wall aligning with the grid. I hope this video helped you get an introduction to the distribution point tool. See you for the next hsbCAD tutorial.